guys, today I'm reviewing all my old Thomas and Friends books. So here we go. First we got Paint Pots and the Royal Queen. And on the back there is Down the Mine. Next, there is Thomas and the Freight Cars and Thomas and the Breakdown Train. Next is Off the Rails and Leaves. And next, Percy Runs Away and Percy and Harold. Now, Fire Engine and Henry and the Elephant. Edward and Gordon and Edward's Day Out. Thomas and Gordon and Thomas's Train. Now, Thomas in Trouble and Toby and the Stout Gentleman. I don't know how to say that because I'm a kid. Edward, Gordon, and Henry, and A Sad Story of Henry. Next, James and the Express, and James and the Blue Ice. Next, Thomas and the Guard, and Old Iron. Now, this is one I never remembered having. Thomas, Terrence, and the Snow, and Thomas Goes Fishing. Next is Percy's Promise and Percy Takes the Plunge. And last, we got Save from Scrap and Cows. That's it for my childhood, my very little, when I was little, my mom read these books to me. So, let's move on to the others. I got Percy's Ghostly Chick DVD, which is just extra. The DVD's still is good. And the DVD's still in it. And we got Thomas the Tank Engine Starter Library with the 3 railway engines, Thomas the Tank Engine, James the Red Engine, Tank Engine Thomas again. And I guess that's it, guys. Hope you liked the video. Bye.